This is going to be a reading for the sign of Pisces, all that I need to know about your person. So let's take first three cards for you for the next 10 days. What is happening in Pisces life, spirit? Card we have for Pisces is Ace of Cups in the reverse. Many of you guys could be holding yourself back, not wanting to emotionally be available towards your person. Reason could be various. Your person could be not be giving in. You are not trusting what they have to offer, or for the past reasons. Whatever this person has made you go through. But I do not see you opening your heart. I do not see you openly expressing the feelings you've got for someone, not wanting to invest emotionally. So I see you bit sabotaging your emotional life. Okay. One more card for Pisces. What are Pisces going through, spirit? Right now with King of Swords, you do not want to possibly think emotionally. You rather want to think practically, logically, wanting to have your sword upright. So you could come off bit detached and heartless, not so sensitive, but that is fine. You are wanting to take the practical approach to life. You've gone through too much of being thinking emotionally or thinking with your heart. Right now you want to think with your mind, your brains. Okay. One more card for what's to come for Pisces for the next 10 days, spirit. With Seven of Cups, many of you guys, if you guys are bit going through this phase of confusion, I see the confusion lasting for a couple of days. Okay. Definitely things are not so clear in your life. Things are not where they should be. That's the reason why you are so confused. But yes, I also feel on a very strong note that you guys will have more than one options very soon. The past person, whosoever, maybe Scorpio for selected few of you. If not Scorpio, it could be Libra or Gemini, could be any sign in particular. But I feel if the past person is not giving in, I definitely see something new coming in your life. Okay, you guys will have more than one option for sure. Okay, in terms of your person, what are they going through? Spices, soulmate, what are they going through? Pisces soulmate, we have 10 of cups in the reverse. If this person has been separated or away from you, I do not see this person being happy. Rather, they are drained emotionally. They do not have much to offer. If they are in a marriage or in another relationship, I see them unfulfilled, unhappy, just staying in the connection for the sake of it. Okay. One more card for what are they going through? Pisces soulmate, what are they going through? With Six of Cups, I do think that your person possibly, is lot in their like living in nostalgia. They are thinking of the all the good times they've shared with you, all the good things they have done with you. They are basically living the past, the good old memories together that you guys have shared. Okay, with Ten of Wands, in the recent past, things could have been very much messed up in their life, but they're still trying to think of all the good times they've spent with you. Okay, how are they thinking about you now? How are they thinking about Pisces now? With Page of Swords, even if this person isn't approaching you or even messaging you, this person is keeping a watch on you. They are stalking you. They are stalking your social media. They are trying to keep a watch. They are trying to keep a tap on you, even if they are not communicating or reaching out. One card for their feelings towards you now. Pisces soulmates feelings towards Pisces, but I believe with Ten of Wands, they are a bit messed up right now. They cannot really offer you much. They do not have much to offer. Reason being, they are going through so much in their personal life. Their career or their personal life could be overwhelming them. Like literally, they are struggling in their personal life, and I do not think they are in a space to be giving in emotionally. This person looks bit disturbed, bit drained out. Okay, so yeah, this person could be also going through a lot of financial problems as well. Okay, one more card. In terms of their feelings, like what do they truly have in their heart space for Pisces? With Queen of Pentacles, they still do care a lot about you. They are still very attached to you. Even if they are not giving in anything, I still see them being very attached. Okay, this person is not in a position to give in anything. Reason being, their personal life is a mess. Okay, in their hate space, spirit, how do they think of Pisces now? In their hate space, how do they think of Pisces? in their headspace, they would want to come back to you. They would want to possibly take a leap of faith. In the recent past, this person could have taken a break. They just decided to not give in. Okay, one card for their intentions towards you now. What are their intentions towards Pisces? We have the world. Please clarify the world for me, Spirit. We have the world and the sun, like both are positive cards coming together. In terms of intention, they would definitely want to reach out to you, definitely want to possibly meet you in person. Okay, so yes, I do feel they have intention of getting back with you. It is not over yet. Okay, so what can Pisces possibly expect from their person now? What could Pisces possibly expect from their person, Spirit, for the next 10 days, where this connection is going? With Six of Pentacles, there is a good chance that this person might give in something. They might either message you, reach out, okay? For like in terms of the connection, where this connection is going till the end of the month, Spirit, where do you see this connection going till the end of the month? I still see this connection, being a bit out of balance. Okay, though your person could be hot and cold towards you. I don't see them giving you 100% attention. They'll give you attention, but they might also like possibly ghost you again. So it's going to be hot and cold, on and off for a while. Okay, well, like what are the major blockages? Five of Cups. Your person, I believe, is living too much in the past. All that you guys have gone through together in the past. One more card for the major blockage. Yeah, they may look at this connection as a missed opportunity, as a lost opportunity. Four of Wands was selected. Few of you, your person is already in another committed relationship, and they feel they cannot really let go of that to choose you. Okay, they feel marriage isn't possible. Okay, one more card for what's really blocking this connection, Spirit. Yeah, Two of Cups. They could be in another connection. Okay, the Ten of Cups in the reverse. They could be in another unhappy relationship or marriage. If your person isn't in a marriage, then I see your person having another option, and another option could very much be getting in the way. Okay, so what do they want from you now? What do they want from Pisces now, Spirit? With Temperance card, they do want to possibly get back on the same page as you, even if they cannot offer you commitment. They at least want to be good friends with you, like not have any sort of arguments or ego clashes or unnecessary, fights. Okay, one card for what do they want to offer Pisces, or what can they offer Pisces for this month? Darling, with the Hanged Man, I still do not see this person having much to offer. Just like I told you, like last time, they may offer you possibly, I see an affair. Nothing more than an affair, to be honest. Okay, what else should you be knowing about this person, Pisces? What should Pisces be knowing about their person? Separation caused confusion. So the separation could have caused confusion. Your person could have gone in another direction altogether. Toxicity bound patterns. You guys go through this like patterns where you guys come together, things happen, you guys get separated, your person chooses someone else. That has been going on for a while now. That's been your pattern. That's been your cycle. One more card, one last card for where this is going for now for Pisces and their soulmate. Don't chase. So right now you should not chase them. If they're coming back, let them come. Right now they might also look at you as someone who's above them, like different levels. You are out of their league, to be honest. Okay, and the last message we have from them is, can we still stay friends? Even if we cannot be in a committed relationship, can we still stay friends? How do they view Pisces now? How do they truly view Pisces, Spirit? Yeah, with the Wheel of Fortune and the Devil card, they look at you as someone who they cannot get rid of. Okay, who keeps coming back or keeps popping back in their life. They cannot just get or go away from you. Okay, even if there's a physical distance, even if there's another person, they are not being able to let you go completely. Okay, how do they view the connection now? Yeah, they feel like they are not being able to be a part of the connection. Reason being, they are so stuck somewhere else. It's either their work life, it's either another person, or it's marriage. Okay, take what resonates in your case. But I do feel like they feel stuck, and they are not being able to make a choice. That's how they view it. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for Pisces. If it resonated with you in any which way, please be kind enough to hit the like button. It really helps my channel to grow. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. If you want a personal reading with me, something like this, something raw and something straightforward, please reach out on my website and book one that fits best for you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I wish you a happy April and good times ahead. Cheers.